Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your SEO data with Data Studio Connector Backups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Google Data Studio on your browser. Once you are in Data Studio, navigate to the report containing your SEO data. Locate the Data Sources panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the data source you want to backup. In the top right corner of the data source panel, click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. A new window will appear prompting you to name your copied data source. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the data you are backing up. Once you have named the copy, click OK to create the backup. Your new data source will now show up in your Data Sources panel. To ensure the backup is accessible, open a new report or tab in Data Studio. Add the copied data source to your new report by clicking on Add Data. Select Data Sources and then find your copied data source. Click on the data source to add it to your report. Validate that the backup has retained all your SEO data by checking the fields. If everything looks good, you have successfully backed up your SEO data. Make sure to regularly create backups to keep your data secure over time. Store important data copies in a dedicated folder for easy access. Regularly review your backups to ensure data integrity and relevance. This process will give you peace of mind knowing your SEO data is safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.